Softly they fall, whispers from the gray, covering the world in a quiet way. Each flick a moment, slow and light, turning the day to gentle night. No rush, no sound, just peace in the air. Blanket of calm, beyond all care. Let the cold beauty soothe your mind in this silent storm. Serenity we find.